I used a lot of clamps in my work, and until I had a good storage system, they were all piled on the floor or in stacks on my workbenches. I decided to make a simple but highly effective storage system for these tools, which see constant use. To hold my C-clamps, I welded up a simple U-shape from 5/8 square steel tubing. The legs of this screw to my workbench, and the long section provides convenient storage for my clamps. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to make something very similar from wood, so no welding is needed. I use a lot of spring clamps for my work also, and these are even easier to hold. I put a piece of 1/8" thick aluminum plate on the bottom of my bench, and this provides a convenient surface to hold the clamps. This could be made from plywood also. It just takes a few minutes to fasten these holders to a workbench, and then they're ready to hold your clamps in an organized manner, keeping them easy to reach. A simpler way to make a clamp holder is to attach 2 wooden extensions to your bench and drill holes in the bottom for a metal tube. Electrical conduit works well for this, and in just a few minutes you can make a convenient and space-saving clamp storage system. If you enjoy my videos, please like, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified when I post a new project. If you like, you can support these videos through Patreon. Just click the link at the end of the video. I'll see you next time.